What did we say is the most basic and important thing when studying Korean? Yes, it's the Korean alphabet, specifically the consonants and vowels. We're going to continue from last time and study the most important part of learning Korean, the Korean alphabet. Do you remember the basic vowels we learned last time? If you don't remember exactly, please make sure to revisit the previous lesson. The Korean alphabet consists of vowels and consonants. Today, we will focus on consonants. There are 14 consonants in total. Do you remember that vowels were created by imitating the sky, earth, and humans? In a similar way, consonants were modeled after the human speech organs. The basic shapes of consonants were designed by referencing the throat, tongue, gums, teeth, and lips. Let's take a closer look. Kiok was created by imitating the shape of the tongue's root blocking the throat when pronounced. Nian was created by imitating the shape of the tongue pressing against the gums when pronounced. Miem was created by imitating the shape of the lips when pronounced. Chiop was created by imitating the shape of the teeth when pronounced. Iing was created by imitating the shape of the throat when pronounced. By adding strokes to these basic consonants like kiok, nian, miem, shiot, iing, the remaining consonants were formed. For example, it goes as follows. Next, I will explain how to pronounce each of the consonants. For your reference, consonants, unlike vowels, have names and pronunciations that are not the same but different. Kiok is called kyo. It is pronounced as k. To pronounce consonants accurately, consonants and vowels are combined together. For example, attach the vowels like a and o to the consonants. Nian is called nian. It is pronounced as The correct pronunciation is as follows. N, a, na, n, o, no. Tigut is called tigut. It is pronounced as t. The correct pronunciation is as follows. T, a, ta, t, o, to. Lir is called lir. It is pronounced as l. The correct pronunciation is as follows. D, a, la, d, o, glo. Miem is called miem. It is pronounced as m. The correct pronunciation is as follows. M, a, ma, m, o, mo. Pib is called pib. It is pronounced as pu. The correct pronunciation is as follows. Pu, a, pa, pu, o, po. Chiot is called shiot. It is pronounced as s. The correct pronunciation is as follows. S, a, sa, s, o, so. Iing is called iing. It is pronounced as ng. The correct pronunciation is as follows. S, a, ng, sang, s, o, ng, song. Jiu is called jiu. It is pronounced as t. The correct pronunciation is as follows. T, a, ta, t, o, to. Chiut is called chiut. It is pronounced as t. The correct pronunciation is as follows. T, a, ta, t, o, to. Kiuk is called kiuk. It is pronounced as k. The correct pronunciation is as follows: k, a, ka, k, o, ko. Tiuk is called tiuk. It is pronounced as t. The correct pronunciation is as follows: t, a, ta, t, o, to. Piub is called piub. It is pronounced as p. The correct pronunciation is as follows: p, a, pa, p, o, po. Hiub is called hiub. It is pronounced as h. The correct pronunciation is as follows: h, a, ha, h, o, ho. Now, we will guide you through the correct stroke order for writing consonants. As a reference, following this stroke order for consonants is just a guideline. It's not absolutely necessary to write them in this exact sequence. The stroke order for writing kyo. The stroke order for writing nian. The stroke order for writing tigud. The stroke order for writing dir. The stroke order for writing miam. The stroke order for writing piub. The stroke order for writing shiol. The stroke order for writing ing. The stroke order for writing tiud. The stroke order for writing tiud. The stroke order for writing kiug. The stroke order for writing tigud. The stroke order for writing piub. The stroke order for writing hiud. In this lesson, we studied consonants. The 14 consonants are as follows. The pronunciations of the consonants are as follows. We also learned how to write the consonants, so be sure to remember the stroke orders. If you memorize and understand the consonants and vowels from today's lesson, learning Korean will become much easier. Since this is important material, please review by watching the video several times. If today's lesson was helpful, please like and subscribe. We'll be back next time with an even more kind and helpful lesson.